Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to start a new series of jQuery tutorial. So let's get started. So today I'm not going to write any jQuery code, just to show you that how you can write and set up your environment to write jQuery code. So go to your Google Chrome here and type jQuery CDN, jQuery CDN and type enter. This page will come out and you have to click on this one, jQuery CDN, and you will see this 3.x. This is the version that we are going to use, and you have to click on this uncompressed and copy all this code here, this script tag you can see. Copy all this and go to your text editor and paste it inside this body element or outside, it doesn't matter. I think we are going but still we're going to paste it inside this body element. So paste it, and we don't need this cross origin and integrity part here, so we can delete it. So we only need this source file here. So let's test that our jQuery code is running or not. So for that, what you have to do, you have to type a h1 tag. Let's suppose I'm taking a h1 tag here, and I'm typing this is h1. As you can see, it is showing here, and I'm giving an id here, id equal to header1. And you have to write a jQuery code, you have to type script outside this body element. Outside this body element you have to type script here, and inside this script you have to type dollar sign and document. And I'm going to explain this why we are writing this. So document dot ready, and inside this ready function we are uh, declaring a callback function here. So what does it mean? It means whenever our document, that means our page is loaded completely, then only we want to execute some code. So this is a good practice that we should always write this, and inside this we have to type all our jQuery code. So let's suppose I want to change this color to red. So what you have to do, you have to select this h1 tag here. So what you are going to do, dollar sign, and inside this inside this bracket you have to type double quotation and type the number symbol which stands for id. As you already know from basic css, that id stands for this dollar sign and class stands for this dot. So we are going to type the name of this id here after this number sign. So header1, and let's suppose you want to add some css property here. So dot css, and inside this css function you have to type color, then property name and the value. So this is the property name color and comma and double quotation, let's suppose red. So if you refresh this page, you will see that it will turn out red. I'm saving this. As you can see, it is turned red. So if you want to add something else like background, let's suppose green. As you can see, our background is green. So our jQuery CDN is working just fine. So this is all for today's tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.